I've got one modification done. Welcome back to the Misplaced Motovlogger channel. Back here again on the Triumph Tiger 850 Sport. We've got one of the modifications I spoke about in my previous video installed. That is the upper and lower crash protection bars from Hepco and Becker. I'll show you a little walk around here as we talk about them. They said they were on back order. Well, the lowers were on back order supposedly, but I still had these things in about a week. Which, that's a lot better than what Triumph was telling me for their bars. They were saying 2 months minimum. Well, I tried to do an install video, and I gotta tell you guys, I just don't think I have the patience to try and do install videos. I guess I just want to get it done, get them on there, and I give major credit to all you guys and gals that can sit there, put one bolt in, stop what you're doing, reposition the camera. And if you're doing it on your own too, oh man, that's a lot of work to do one of those install videos. So I don't know that you'll be seeing many more install videos. I did get an offer from Bry the Biker who said that he would do the camera work for me, which that would be awesome. Back to the bars. Like I said, they're Hepco and Becker. You could install just the uppers if you wanted, or you could install the lowers, or both, like I did, uppers and lowers. Whereas, like I said in the other video, the Triumph bars, if you want the upper bars, you have to have the lower bars as well. So I was kind of figuring, even though they said that the lower bars were on back order, I was going to call them and just say, hey, send the upper ones, at least I'll have them on. And then when the lowers come in, great, because the uppers are going to provide pretty good protection. Now the lower bars, piece of cake to install by yourself. Just a couple little plastic plugs that where the factory bars go, they bolt into the same spot. So you remove those plugs, and put the bolts in, torque them down, German torque, Guten tight. And then you move on to the uppers, where you need 4 hands. Obviously, it's not impossible to install them with only one person, because I did it. if I had a hand, second person, it would have been much easier. I think that's part of where I got into the frustration too with the trying to do the install video. But no biggie. Bars are installed. Let me know what you think about these things. They seem really super solid. Gives me another spot to mount a GoPro if I want. Or could even mount a bag. Just to keep a couple small little things in there. We'll see. But really, that's about all I have to say about that. So, with all that being said, we'll go ahead and sign off here, guys. If you have any comments, leave one. Let me know what you think. And as always, if you feel so inclined, shoot me a like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Till next time, get out and enjoy the road and enjoy the ride. We'll see you.